Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It is I, Miss Rigzin, and for this video, we're gonna talk about the difference of immigrate and emigrate. Guys, last night, I was rewatching some episodes of Chloe, Crash Landing on You, and ayun guys. Habang kausap niya si Sodan, sabi niya, and we ended up emigrating to the UK. You know guys, the key to differentiating emigrate and immigrate is to first know which preposition comes with which word. So I'm not gonna beat around, huwag na natin masyadong patagalin to. It's immigrate to and emigrate from. Now let that sink in. When you immigrate to a different country. For example, a lot of Filipinos immigrate to the US. And when you emigrate from your own country. For example, a lot of Filipinos emigrate from the Philippines. Actually guys, it's super simple, it's super easy, it's super dali. Sobrang dali lang talaga nun. The problem arises when we mix them up. When we forget which preposition comes with which word, and even the words themselves are kind of confusing, right? Ako guys, personally, what I do is mnemonics para lagi ko ma-remind yung sarili ko na it's immigrate to and emigrate from. Okay? So, unahin natin yung immigrate to. You immigrate to. Just remember it. Immigrate to. IT. It. Do you guys know the movie It? This one? I've never seen this movie. I don't watch movies like this. Ayoko talaga ng mga ganyang movie. I can't take horror, suspense, thriller films. I just can't. But I do know that it exists. I know there is a movie called It. And to remember immigrate to, I just remember it. And for emigrate from, alam niyo naman ako, I like singing, I like songs. So what I do is, I sing the alphabet song. Everybody sing it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F. Emigrate from. Mic drop. How about immigrant and emigrant? You know guys, there's this song that I love so much from Hamilton. And it says, immigrants, we get the job done. I love it so much. So you know, that's a very good example of how you use the word immigrant. Because Alexander Hamilton, saan nga siya galing? Caribbean, some Caribbean country, and then Lafayette comes from France. So they are immigrants to the US. Immigrants get the job done. So going back to our Crash Landing on You reference earlier. So ano dapat ang sinabi ni Songjun kay Sodan? Well, it depends kung anong gusto niya sabihin and which country does he want to refer himself from. So if he wants to refer himself coming from South Korea, then he can say, my family and I emigrated from South Korea. And if he wants to refer to himself coming to that new country, then he could have said, my family and I immigrated to the UK. So there, that's how we draw the line. Just remember immigrate to and emigrate from. So to summarize, summarize pa natin, sobrang dali lang talaga ng lesson. You immigrate to a different country, just remember it. And you emigrate from your own country, just remember to sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F. Emigrate from. Okay? And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Click here to watch another one. Now before you go, please don't forget to do the following. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and recommend this channel to your friends. It is still I, Miss Rigzin, saying goodbye until our next lesson. Bye!